Hello everyone. Welcome to Dream Zone IAS. Very soon we are going to start the banking course for PO and clerk. So, আজি মই তোমালোকক বেংকিংৰ এটা আইডিয়া দিবলৈ বেংকিংৰ ৰিজনিং সেকশনৰ এটা most important topic discuss কৰিম। সেইটো হৈছে alphabet test. This topic is small yet very important and quite easy to score full marks if you understand the basic concepts properly, okay? Now, without delay, let's start. We all know the English alphabet. আমি সকলোৱে English alphabet কেইটা জানো। Before going to attempt the questions, let us learn the place values of the alphabet. Now, what these place values are? Place values, okay? Now, what these place values are? Here you see, when you write the letters from A to Z, and if you represent each letter with a number, that means if you represent A as 1, B as 2, C as 3, till Z 26, because we have 26 letters in English language. The numbers against each letter are known as the place values or positions of the letters. Now, again, one more thing you need to know is the arrangement of the letters. Here you see, place of letter in forward order. Okay, when the letters are arranged from A to Z, not this one. When the letters are arranged from A to Z, that is from A to Z, this arrangement is known as forward order. Okay. Again, when the letters are arranged from Z to A, then this arrangement is known as backward order. Okay, let us understand with a question. This number 1 you see here. Okay, here you see. Number 1. Find the 11th letter to the left of 20th letter from left in English alphabet. First, you need to check this one from left in English alphabet. See, when nothing is mentioned, then you have to consider the letters. আমি letters খিনি forward order arrange হৈ আছে বুলি consider কৰিব লাগিব যেতিয়া আমাৰ questionটোত একো এটা mention নাথাকে যে forward নে backward একো যদি দিয়া নাথাকে, then we have to consider the letters are arranged in forward order বুলি। Now, যেতিয়া forward order arrange কৰি থোৱা থাকে, so আমাৰ left hand side আমাৰ first letter কি থাকিব A থাকিব আৰু right hand side on আমাৰ letter কি থাকিব Z থাকিব। এতিয়া questionটোত কৈছে যে find the 11th letter to the left of 20th letter from left in English alphabet. From left in English alphabet বুলি কোৱাৰ লগে লগে আমি কোনটো directionত যাব লাগিব from left ৰ পৰা যাব লাগিব, that means A ফালৰ পৰা যাব লাগিব। So 20th letter from left in English alphabet, 20th letter from left in English alphabet, left ৰ ফালৰ পৰা 20th letter টো আমাৰ কি হয় T হয়। Okay, again আকৌ কৈছে নহয় ইয়াত find the 11th letter to the left of 20th letter. এতিয়া 20th letter left hand side 11th letter to চাব কৈছে। So again 20th letter পৰা আমি কোনটো directionত আহিব লাগিব এইটো directionত আহিব লাগিব কাৰণ 20th letter পৰা left hand side চাব কৈছে। So 20th letter পৰা 11th number কি আছে আমাৰ চেক কৰো আহক। তেতিয়া যদি 20th letter পৰা চাব লাগে, so 20th তোমাৰ T হয়। So S ৰ পৰা আমি কাউন্ট কৰিব লাগিব 1 S1 R2 Q3 4 P4 এনেকে কৰি আহিলে 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11। So 11 টো আমাৰ কি পৰিব 9th letter, তাৰমানে I পৰিব I আহিব। So আমাৰ আনসাৰটো হ'ল I। Okay, again আমাৰ আৰু এটা alternate process আছে, এটো হৈছে যেতিয়া আমাক questionটোত কোৱা থাকিব যে from left and left, that means left ৰ পৰাই আহিব লাগিব আৰু left যদি হয় এটো চোৱা left in English alphabet, again from that number you have to go left। যদি left থাকে তেতিয়া আমাৰ short trick টো হৈছে clear কৰি লওঁ। যেতিয়া আমাৰ left থাকিব তেতিয়া আমাৰ short trick টো হৈছে we have to subtract 11 from 20. So what will we get? 9. Then we have to check for the ninth letter. That means তুমি আমি যদি ডাঙৰটোৰ পৰা we have to check when left. First we have to check for left, whether it is from left to left. Okay, যদি এইটো আছে তেতিয়া আমি চাব লাগিব 20th টোৰ পৰা ডাঙৰটোৰ পৰা যদি আমি সৰুটো subtract কৰি দিওঁ তেতিয়া আমি যিটো পাম that numbered letter will be the our answer. That means here again you see ninth letter is I. So our answer is I. Okay, but first we have to go by basic way. Okay, then only we can go for the trick, because until and unless we understand the basic concept properly amar jodi trick apply koru so amar bhulo hoy jaba pare. Okay, so first we have to go by the basic way. Next question, here you see, if English alphabet is written in backward order, jodi amak question to backward order koribo lage, then it will be mentioned in the question. Here you see backward order mention ase, so we have to arrange the letters from Z to A. If the English alphabet is written in backward order, then what will be the 13th letter to the left of third letter from right? Yat amak kor pora ahibo koise from right. That means we have to go in this direction. Okay, yet first backward order amak mention ase, so we have to first arrange the letters in backward order. That means from Z to A. Again ki koise from right amak ahibo koise third letter from right. Okay, third letter from right আমি কি হ'ব আমাৰ ইয়াত third letter from right side to এটো হয় আমাৰটো right side এটো হয় আৰু এটো আমাৰ left hand side হৈ আছে এতিয়া, so right hand side পৰা third letter আমাৰ কি হ'ব এটো direction পৰা আমাক আহিব যদি কয় তেতিয়া আমাৰ third letter টো হৈছে C. Okay, C আমাৰ third letter. Again কৈছে what will be the 13th letter to the left of third letter? 13th letter to the left of third letter. Okay, again আমি ৰাইটৰ পৰা আহিব কৈছে. ওকে, আমি আহিলো ইয়াৰ থাৰ্ড লেটাৰলৈকে, দেন থাৰ্ড লেটাৰলৈকে আহিব ক'লে, চ' আমি এইটো থাৰ্ড লেটাৰ পালো. নেক্সট কৈছে আকৌ লেফ্ট যাব কৈছে, থাৰ্ড লেটাৰৰ পৰা আৰু লেফ্ট যাব কৈছে. কিমান যাব কৈছে? 13th লেটাৰ টু দ্য লেফ্ট. দেট মিনছ আমি আৰু 13th লেফ্টলৈ আহিব লাগিব. চ' চিৰ পৰা আৰু যদি 13th আমি লেফ্টলৈ আহোঁ কি পাম? চ' চি যদি আমি কাউণ্ট কৰোঁ, চিটো আমাৰ থাৰ্ড লেটাৰ হৈ গ'ল, ত' ডিৰ পৰা আমি কাউণ্ট কৰিব লাগিব. D1, E2, likewise till 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So P2 আমাৰ 13th letter. Okay, so আমাৰ answer to হ'ব P. Okay, again এইটোৰে আৰু এটা short trick আছে. আগৰটোত আছিলে LL, ইয়াত চোৱা এইফালে left আৰু এইটো right. That means LR যদি হয়, sorry, LR from right towards left যদি এনেকুৱা কুৱেশ্যনটো হয়, তেতিয়া short trickটো আমাৰ হ'ব যে 13, here you see 3 plus 13. Okay, whatever letter numbered letter is given, you have to sum it. That means 3 plus 13 কৰিলে আমি কি পাম? 16th পাম. আৰু আমি কোনটো কৰ পৰা আহিব লাগিব বুলি কৈছে? ফাৰ্ষ্ট আমি from right ৰ পৰা চাব লাগিব. so আমি from right আমি চাব লাগিব 13th letter কি হয়. so directly আমি কি পাইছো? 13th letter from right যদি আমি কাউণ্ট কৰো, so 13th letter আমি পাইছো P ত আহি P 13th letter complete হ'ব. so আমাৰ answer টো হ'ব P. Okay, okay, count কৰি যদি আমি এইটো ডিৰেকশ্যনৰ পৰা যদি আমি আহো, এইটো from right যদি আহো, 3 plus 13 কৰিলে আমি পাম 16. so 16th letter টো আমাৰ right hand side ৰ পৰা কি হয়? P হয়. so আমাৰ answer টো P. Again I am saying always go by the basic concept first. After you clear the basic concept, then only you have to go for the trick. Okay, I will repeat this, and this is must. Okay, the next question. Check this out. What it is written here? In the question it is, see here, if the first half of the English alphabet is written in backward order, again, what did it say? The first half. First half means if you write the alphabet from A to Z, the first half will be till M. Okay, when you write A to Z, the first half will be till M. I will show you here in the first. Here you see. When you write from A to Z, the first, see, 26 letters, so half will be what? 13. This will be the first half, and this will be the second half. Here in this question, what it is say? In the third question, you see here. First half of English alphabet is written in backward order. See here, first half was reversed. That means M will come to the place of A. Are you understanding? Here you see. Here you see. If you write A, B, C, D in this way, if we have to write these 4 letters in reverse way, then how we will write? D first, C, then B, then A. Okay. Likewise, here you see, till it was the first half, this first half got reversed. That means in backward order, M came first, M, L, K. That means it reversed. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Okay, understood? No? বুজি পাইছা তো? A part to that means A first half to আমার reverse করে দিয়া হয়. Okay, then that কি কৈছে? Let me clear all this first. Okay, then what it is say? Written in backward order. Then what will be the 7th letter to the left of 10th letter from your right? That means then what will be the 7th letter to the left? To the left, the 10th letter from your right. That means আমি রাইটৰ পৰা আহিব কৈছে, so we have to go from this direction. So আমাৰ ৰাইটত কি আছে? ৰাইটত আমাৰ Z আছে. So Z আছে. Zৰ পৰা আমি ক'লৈ আহিব লাগিব? 10th letter from the right. Okay. What will be the 7th letter to the left of 10th letter from the right? First আমাক কৈছে, first আমি চেক কৰিব লাগিব 10th letter from the right. So 10th letter from the right আমাৰ কি আছে? So Q 26 পৰা Zৰ পৰা যদি কাউন্ট কৰো আমাৰ 10th letter টো হ'ব Q. Okay. তাৰ পিছত কৈছে আকৌ কৈছে what will be the 7th letter to the left of 10th letter? So again we have to come towards left. Q letter left hand side আহিব লাগিব. So Q letter left hand side to this way হ'ব. So তাত কি কৈছে 7th letter. তো Q পৰা Q to আমাৰ 10th letter টো হৈ গ'ল. তো তাৰ পৰা আকৌ 7th letter আহিব লাগিব. That means P to যদি 1 বুলি কাউন্ট কৰো, O to যদি 2 বুলি কাউন্ট কৰো, so 7th letter টো আমাৰ কি হ'ব? D. Okay. এইটো ডিৰেকশনত যদি আহো, sorry, এইটো ডিৰেকশনত যদি আহো, so আমাৰ 7th letter from Q to কি হ'ব? D. Okay. That means our answer to hobo D. Okay. Again, one more way is given. Here you see. Place of a letter when second half of first this in this question first half was in reverse order. That means in backward order. Here when the second half is in backward order. Then how will be the question? Let us check. Okay. Here you see. In this question, if the second half of the English alphabet is written in backward order, then what will be the 7th letter to the right of, here it is asked, right of 13th letter from your left. Now, কি কৈছে? Second half to reverse কৰিছে. That means, এই part দেখিছে না part কৰি দিছে যে, এই second half to আমাৰ reverse কৰিছে. আমাৰ চোৱা, N-ৰ পৰা আছিলে, N-ৰ পৰা Z লৈকে, সেই part to আমাৰ reverse কৰি দিয়া হ'ল. That means, Z আহিলে, Y আহিলে, তাৰমানে এই ফালৰ পৰা আমাৰ আহি গ'ল. NOP, QRST, UV, till Z. So Z to ইয়ালে reverse কৰি দিয়া হ'ল second half. তাত কৈছে, তাৰ পিছত কি কৈছে? From left, আমাক ক'ৰ পৰা check কৰিব লাগিব? From left ৰ পৰা আহিব লাগিব. That means from this way. 13th letter, right of the, yet question to question, what will be the 7th letter to the right of 13th letter from the left? Left or 13th letter ki hoy etia amar? Yet, okay. Left or jodi ami check koru. লেফটৰ পৰা আমি লেফটৰ পৰা আহিছো ওকে লেফটৰ পৰা আহি পিনে যদি আমাৰ 13th লেটাৰটো আমাৰ কি হয় তো এম হয় এম ই হয় ইয়াত তো কৈছে আকৌ ৰাইট যাব কৈছে 7th লেটাৰ টু দ্য ৰাইট অফ 13th লেটাৰ 13th লেটাৰটো আমি এম পালো আকৌ ৰাইট যাব লাগিব দ্যাট মিন্স দিছ ডিৰেকশ্যনে যাব লাগিব তো 7th লেটাৰ আমাৰ 7th লেটাৰটো কি হয় ইয়াৰ পৰা যদি কাউন্ট কৰো to direction যাব লাগিব 7th লেটাৰটো আমাৰ ইয়াৰ পৰা তাৰমানে এম 13th লেটাৰটো কৈছে তাৰ পৰা আমি 7th লেটাৰ বিচাৰি যাব লাগিব তো জেড আমাৰ 1 হলে y 2 হলে 3 4 5 6 7 তো 7th লেটাৰটো আমাৰ টি তো আনসার আমাৰ টি ওকে again see here when multiple letter segment in backward order this pattern is when the multiple segments are in reverse order here you see let us understand with a numerical that means with a problem here it is asked if first four letters of English alphabet are written in reverse order that means here you see the first four letters are written in reverse order try to understand here it is started from B and ended with A. First four letters are in reverse order. Again it is saying are written in reverse order. Again, next five letters are written in reverse order. Okay. Again, next five letters are also written in reverse order. Again, next six letters are written in reverse order. Again, six letters are written in reverse order. Okay, next seven letters are also written in reverse order. Finally, the remaining letters are also written in reverse order. Again, remaining letters are also written in reverse order. If after you have arranged in this way, whatever is asked in the question, then you have to go for the okay what you were asked to find. Okay, here it is asked what will be the seventh letter to the left of the eighth letter from right. So again, from right you have to come in this direction. Okay, you have to come in this direction. From right we have to come. So we have to find for the eighth letter. Eighth letter from right. Eighth letter from right is what? This one. If you come in this direction, the eighth letter from right will be this 19. If you count from this side, eighth letter will be S. Okay, S. Okay. Again, seventh letter to the left of eighth letter. Eighth letter we have got S. Okay, আমি S পালো. তো S ৰ পৰা আমি আকৌ left লৈ আহিব লাগিব. That means left is this way. Left আহিব লাগিব কিমান আহিব লাগিব 7th letter till 7th letter. So count from after S you count till 7. T will be 1, U will be 2 like that. 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So 7th letter will be M. So our answer is M. Try to see the question first, okay? Understand it properly. Then it is very easy to implement. Okay, after you arrange the letters, whatever is asked in the question, then you have to find the answer. Okay. Okay, next question you see here. Okay. Here, the next pattern, the question will be to find out the middle letter between two letters. Okay. Okay. Okay, this one. Number of letters in the middle of two letters. Okay, you have to find number of letters in between two letters. Okay, now how let us understand with the question. Here you see. How many letters are there in this question? You see, how many letters are there between eighth letter from left and seventh letter from the right of the English alphabet? So first we have to find eighth letter from left and seventh letter right in the English alphabet. So from left, 8 letter will be this. From left, if you check, the 8 letter will be this. Again, 7th letter from the right. So 7th letter from the right. So 7th letter from the right will be here, you say. So 7th letter আমাৰ কি হ'ব এইটো যদি ৰাইটৰ পৰা আহো ৰাইটৰ পৰা আহিলে আমাৰ 7th লেটাৰটো হ'ব this one. Okay, T. So that would say how many letters are there between 8 letter from the left and 7th letter from the right. So এই দুটাৰ মাজত আমাৰ কিমান কিমান letters আছে সুধিছে. So count কৰিলে আমি পাম 11 letters. Okay, so answer will be 11. Okay. There is also one alternate method. Here you see. If you subtract if what you were asked, left 8 letter from left and 7th letter from right. So 8 plus 7 will be 15. Okay. If you subtract this 15 from 26, 26 minus 8 plus 7. If you do this, you will get 11. 11. So answer is 11. Okay. Okay. So thank you for today. We will meet in our next classes. Okay.